Hi and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. Today we're going to have the last attempt of trying to get the fridge working on gas. If this doesn't work, then we're going to call someone in to have a look at it. But I have been told something which I never knew, which doesn't surprise a lot of people I know. But there is a battery in these for the ignition. Now I always thought the ignition ran from the leisure battery, but it doesn't. Now the fridge we have is a Dometic and it's an RMS 850, I think. It's the standard one that came with the caravan. It hasn't been changed at all, and we're told that there is a battery in it. So to change it, what you're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Now what you do, I'm going to need my glasses for this, open the door, and underneath here there are two screws, one here one the other side. Now I don't know if all Dometic fridges are like this and have a battery, and all I've been told is this one does. Now to remove this panel, as you can see, it is loose now, but you need to take these off, which they do come off eventually. There we go. And that's the panel off. A bit dusty. That's the little gauge to tell you that the fridge is on. And here you can disconnect the panel. There's a clip there, I don't know if you can see it, holding this switch in place. Press them together. And there's your switch for the ignition. Now if you look, there's an L-shaped groove here. Press the switch down, turn it, release, ta-da! The battery. Now, who would have thought it? I never knew these had a battery in them. I always thought they ran off the leisure battery. But no, they have a battery for the ignition. So put that one there. And we're going to get another battery. So, another battery. Yep, slide it in. So simple. Push it down, turn it round. There we go. That's in. Feed the wiring through. There we go, and this is switched in. Connect it back up. These only connect up one way. You can't put them in the wrong way round. So that's back in. The gauge back on. There's nothing actually holding that gauge in, so don't know, maybe that's the way they just built them, just placed them in there like that. Stick the wiring back out of the way. There we go, that's the panel back in. That screws in. That screws in. Now these are slightly different as well, if you can see inside there. So you can't get these mixed up, they only go one way round. This one is your selector. And this one is for the temperature. And there you go. That is it. We haven't got the gas on, but what I'm going to do is see if we can hear it click. I don't know if you can hear that, I can, but it is clicking. So when we get the gas on, we'll give it a go, see if it powers up. Like I say, if it still doesn't work on gas, this site we're going to this weekend is electric, so it's not to worry, but we will be calling an engineer in to have a look. But hopefully that might have fixed it. So if you have the same problem, test your battery. Bye for now. Hi and welcome to HitchUpAndTow. I'll do that again.
What?
You're going like that behind the camera.
I've got an itchy nose. Oh, it's fine.
Start again.
Okay.
No, it's going to keep rolling, not just cut it.